ene so ayahwedi ampon ne pe ema wohene na prono kase no ema ye nyina atinkwamu me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV dwumedi we ye nkuranhye me amede ho chia me ediam jeso ane ni tekotego na wotwe nyina me no befa akwan bi so aka kire wo say everyone starts at zero obia brabo ahase no na hwe nka ho ene de amene o kasei ebia wo bu kon ahwe obi odini ono hyase na bibia nka na brabo ho. Anytime you come to the world, celebration begins to be held. Oba wiase no osebo ene de je wo said ya meso ye de osebo ebo me no. And your birth was a new beginning with great opportunities and probabilities. Ya wo no na ye de ade bi a ensida enka da sama ho ene da bekuru yase ya ene eho akwan a obefa so na wadimu oba brabo mu a you have taken on a new responsibility enya wo pe na asudie bi da wo so se obede suban bi adini ne ye bi adia obi ni bie. You are to make a unique contribution to life, each one of us. The moment you are born as a human being, and found baby wo and found where kura wo say anya wo ne de. You say wo waba soronko. Ese se be de bibi soronko di. The journey will be interesting, but it's a serious one. Abrabo aye bu no tre bia emu ode na ya nibre ya ma me di agro. You have a huge responsibility made up of various transitions. Befa kwanyasa so yebewo beda onana so bedu abi besi form awia obenante tata kosimira onembe dine empo wanyina dum pempenso am we ni nyina nsunso ene ne ye wo ho abraba ye we ni tere bia obefro ani giemu tere bi so abesane. There are good days as well as bad days. Debi wo ho a emu be de nya pe nyina benya. Debi also unya anka manasa. And there are days you be happy. There are days you wish you never came to life. Debi do a when you beje debi also ka say me kura me be de wo wiase. Each one of us are bound to have our fair share of challenges. Obiara what asase so ano. Wo how yahesha mawo. Akwansidi yahesha mawo. Enioma bebo ntrene dwane brabo no yahesha mawo. There are distractions. No people be you near free yediemu. Edwa kose yemu. There are moments that you need to inspire yourself. Maybe baba aswa bemu ebu ese wo hye ho nkran. And there are forces. You will sum wetumfo ahodo mi no ana obedi nkita ho se susumpa ena susubone atojiwara. Na me catch here you are here to live a life according to the purpose of your unique creation. It's sansa ye boss runkunti no. Asudie bi da so obebu bra soronko na bibi soronko aka brabo ho. You have to live a life of value. So we bua brabo asombo. You have to live a life of kindness. So we bua brabo ade ehumobro be mu obi. You have to live a life of prosperity. So brabo etumpon na nya yedie. You have to live a life of love. So brabo eda wo dirty. You have to live a life of truth. So brabo da no credit. You have to live a life of contentment. Say we ya de na wankasa wo boto yemu na woni e be so be kasa owura we ya na owura we de oye bibia ma boto yemu. You have to attain greater heights. Say we don pempenso bi obi nu hoda. E san said the ebo wonti no. You have been made to succeed. Obia otwedi ampon wo Jesus na ebo wo no. His purpose is for you to succeed. Wa meja obi. Wa medi hia. When you accident and when you mistake, you have been chosen to succeed and you do not fail and you dare not fail. In your bid to seek beautiful and good things, say when you are pesika, you have to remind yourself that you are not by accident. You're not a consumer, but a contributor. One must say obinyane dibi, wo by say odibi beka abrabo ho na abrabo FCA. Enti jaisa wo de wani to de obi ayeso be se wa masa wo be kan brabo ho wa masa wo de obebu abrabo obedi no akọ o ba se wo de bibi be kan brabo ho enti jaisa wo hwe ni obi aye jaisa wo hwe de obi aka na kasa me so de na me jama nchimba. What legacy am I living on earth? Onyame am said nemre am mo bi keke. A good life is not about having the best and beautiful woman or the most handsome man. Ye kase obi abubra papa anya oba no ho afa aware no ana ba ma odi mo aware no. Ye kase wo bubra papa anya mfie dodo a wasie ene kasa wodo a okura. Usi fie ye obenya mu ada okura ka ye obekọ bebe but nya no ene abrabo. Ye kase wo bubra pa anya sode a wokọ. Imbebre, we have been led to think that the things that don't matter in life are the most important things. For many of us, it is only at the beginning of the year or the month that we write what we want to do. But every day, you should have a plan to succeed. Unim de ntia bebre eni yo Ghana ha eni wiase. Unim de ntia bebre entimi nye bibi eda soronko. Hwe ye school ayekọ me ka na kire wo ye school ayekọ na omemu ha. Ena ntete de maye no. Unim de wona ye. Wona ye mra bi ama wo de obe copy. Not that two team. You be so annoyed that two want to know you copy, you memorize and reproduce. So many of us are not critical thinkers. It's a problem of education system and apprentice styles. Oh, copy. Obi actually book kind, no kind, one mango park, no kind, no kind. Umi sanchiremu, no ebisa exams, no akwachire so pass it. So many of us have become difficult to spend time to think critically. But remember, you were made unique to live a life by fulfilling the will of your maker. Utredi ampono boy no odnepe ene de bo wo. And therefore living your life cannot be by chance or by luck. And you say bebo na fam there be. It is by systematic generation of ideas. Wa brabo abo eri say unya timupo. Imagination say utwe mfoni bi wa brabo mu say ena ma brabo ko na wo yan hihye planning. Na wo hye wo nkran. No try na muntuo na adimu. Wo se me boa ma me nkọ chọkonkronum. Me ya me fa chọkonkron na me mfa ne sesebe eye Kristofo homa. Chọkonkron ye homa ya twra manda samba. Na me no kọ chọkonkron homa edikan no. Etire edikan. Ichemadu no wotwe. Genesis 1:28 or say na onyame ehira won. Na onyame ka se monkọ na koso aba. Na monya na moho. Na mama ewiase so enore nempo munhye nneoma nyina so na mundi nneoma nyina so na empo se ewo nsuo mu se wasase so se nnoma a wowiem mundi nneoma nyina so wo ka ho bi enti de obo wo no onimni a obetimi ayo enoka se go and dominate and be fruitful and multiply. One can say come and help anybody to dominate. One can say, come and look at your husband or your wife or your parents, or say, you have to come and be fruitful. Or the baby at show more, the it's important for us to examine your life and ask yourself, how can I be fruitful? How can I subdue the earth? How can I multiply? And how can I control everything in my life? Me den me di nyoma nyina so. Me den me di abrabo so. Me den ma so aba. Twedi ampon e ka se be so aba. Wan ka se be ka ho bi na obi so aba e be di bi. Wo ye odasane Nyankopon se ne mere koto ye bo wo. Wo asudie bi se obebu bra. E di yede be bre wo ne woni e ben wo. Aha na meja wo, dwene ho yie. E de na me ya me so aba, ma brabo madwuma mu, me mamu, me bro no so no me wade mu. Aba so ho hia. Ti na wa share say go and be fruitful. Yo odofo yiri se enemi gya we ba ko so ba wo bebia wo kobia na wa ba so aye nhira onyame enka ho wo kina ebehia mediam jesu ani tekotego.